What's up, guys? Welcome back to Out of Office TV. If you've been dreaming of a slice of paradise that's equal parts lush, adventurous and Instagram worthy, Madeira is calling your name. This Portuguese gem has just snagged the title of Best Island Destination in Europe for the 10th time. That's not just a flex, it's a mic drop. So buckle up, because we're about to spill the tea on why Madeira deserves a top spot on your bucket list. Madeira is like the Beyonce of islands. Iconic, gorgeous, and always delivering. This archipelago is perched in the Atlantic Ocean, about 600 miles southwest of Portugal, and just a quick hop from Morocco. It's technically closer to Africa, but Madeira's got that European flair that'll make you want to sip espresso and say bon dia to strangers. The main island, Madeira, is where the action's at, while its little sibling, Porto Santo, offers chill vibes and golden beaches. Together, they're serving up a mix of tropical and Mediterranean magic that's hard to beat. Madeira itself is a dramatic landscape of steep cliffs, lush greenery, and terraced hillsides dotted with banana plantations and quaint villages. Porto Santo, on the other hand, is like Madeira's relaxed cousin, perfect for a day trip or a weekend getaway. Madeira's weather is like that friend who's always in a good mood. Summers are warm but not scorching, with temperatures hovering around 75 degrees Fahrenheit, 24 Celsius. Winters? A mild 60 to 65 degrees Fahrenheit, 16 to 19 Celsius. Translation: you can pack light and leave your puffer jacket at home. Bonus: the island's got microclimates, so you can sunbathe by the sea and then trek through misty mountains, all in one day. The island's weather is also ideal for those who love flowers. Madeira's lush gardens bloom year-round, earning it the nickname, the floating garden of the Atlantic. Madeirans are like your favourite barista, warm, welcoming, and always making you feel like a VIP. The vibe here is laid back yet proud, with a culture that's steeped in tradition. Think folk music, intricate embroidery, and that famous Madeira wine. Festivals like the Flower Festival and Carnival are big deals here, showcasing vibrant costumes, floats, and endless fun. In fact, the island hosts festivals 360 days a year, meaning these guys like to party. Locals will chat you up about their island, like proud parents, and you'll leave feeling like you've gained a new family. Prepare your taste buds, because Madeira's food scene is fire. Here's what you need to try. Espetada, juicy beef skewers grilled to perfection. Traditionally cooked over an open flame and served on giant skewers, this dish is a carnivore's dream. Bolo de caco, a traditional flatbread slathered in garlic butter. Carb heaven. You'll find it served alongside almost every meal. Scabbard fish with banana and passion fruit. It sounds odd, but trust us, it's a vibe. The buttery fish, sweet banana and tangy passion fruit combo will have you questioning everything in a good way. Poncha, Madeira's OG cocktail, made with sugarcane rum, honey and citrus. Warning, it's stronger than it looks. It's a must try at any bar on the island. Pé de cabra, a unique local drink made with wine, sugar, chocolate powder and coffee. A surprising but delicious combo. Perfect for those who like their drinks rich and complex. Madeira wine, the star of the show. Sweet, dry, or somewhere in between, it's a sip of the island's soul. Don't leave without visiting a winery or tasting room to learn about its fascinating history. Madeira is not a one and done kind of place, so you'll want to explore. Renting a car is the move for maximum freedom. Buses aren't always reliable, and taxis can get pricey. The island's roads are steep and winding, so confidence behind the wheel is key. For city exploration, especially in Funchal, renting an electric scooter is another cool option for zipping around. Public transportation does exist, but schedules can be sporadic and coverage is limited in rural areas. Cable cars are a fun way to get around in some spots, offering epic views while getting you from A to B. If you're planning to explore extensively, having your own set of wheels is a game changer. From adrenaline-pumping adventures to zen moments by the sea, Madeira's got something for everyone. These iconic irrigation channels double as scenic hiking paths. The Laura Silva Forest, a UNESCO World Heritage Site, is a must-see. If you're up for a challenge, the hike from Pico do Arriero to Pico Ruivo is a showstopper. Known for its stairs to heaven, it's the ultimate sunrise experience. Take a cable car up to Monte and wander through this lush garden. It's like stepping into a fairy tale, with koi ponds, exotic plants and stunning sculptures. The natural pools in Porto Moniz are next level cool. Bring your swimsuit and dive in. The contrast of the black volcanic rock against the crystal clear water is pure magic. Hop on a boat and catch some of the Atlantic's most majestic creatures living their best lives. Tours run year-round, and you might even spot a sperm whale or two. See Madeira's stunning coastline from the sky. Talk about a pinch-me moment. Launch points like Porto de Cruz offer breathtaking views and unforgettable memories. Take a day or weekend trip to Porto Santo for its dreamy 5-mile stretch of golden sand. It's the perfect contrast to Madeira's rugged terrain. The island's capital is bursting with charm. Stroll the old town, visit Mercado dos Lavradores for fresh produce and flowers, and don't miss the vibrant street art. Ride a wicker toboggan down steep streets in Monte. Yes, that's right, a toboggan ride. It's both bizarre and brilliant, and an absolute thrill. This black sand beach surrounded by dramatic cliffs and lush greenery is a must visit for its raw, natural beauty. The vibe here is tranquil and unspoiled. Step into a mystical wonderland with ancient laurel trees shrouded in fog. It's an ethereal experience you won't forget, especially if you visit early in the morning. Reed's Palace, an iconic 5-star hotel that's been hosting celebs since forever. Perfect for those who want to live the high life. Sakaram Resort and Spa, a sleek retreat with killer ocean views. Its modern design and top-notch amenities are perfect for relaxation. Quinta do Farão, a charming hotel surrounded by vineyards and cliffs. You'll feel like you're in a postcard. Airbnb and guest houses, perfect for travellers who want a more local experience without breaking the bank. Stay at Lombarda Studios, based in Ponta do Sol. Their modern, minimalist and eco interiors feel like you've just walked into a Pinterest mood board. Ponta do Sol, known as the sunniest spot on the island, this area is a fantastic base for exploring Madeira, with easy access to the north and the rest of the island. The village itself is charming, offering a great beach as well as fantastic restaurants and bars. Madeira's got major international street cred, with direct flights from the US, Canada and Central Europe. From New York, it's about a 6-hour flight. Toronto and Montreal also offer connections for North American travellers. European hubs like Lisbon, Paris and Frankfurt make it super convenient for travellers from the continent. No excuses. Madeira is basically in your backyard. Unreal scenery. From dramatic cliffs to lush forests, Madeira is like nature's highlight reel. Warm hospitality. Locals treat you like a long-lost cousin they're thrilled to see. A chill pace. Life here runs on island time. Relax and enjoy it. Adventure options galore. Whether you're into hiking, diving, or just sipping ponchar by the sea, Madeira delivers. Overpacking. Madeira's casual vibe doesn't require a fancy wardrobe. Stick to comfy, weather-appropriate clothes. Rushing. The island deserves more than a couple of days. Take your time to soak it all in. Ignoring the weather forecast. Microclimates mean it can be sunny in one area and rainy in another. Plan ahead. Skipping Porto Santo. Even a quick day trip is worth it for the golden beaches. Driving unprepared. Roads can be steep and narrow. If you're not confident, consider sticking to easier routes or hiring a driver. Madeira isn't just a destination, it's a vibe. It's where jaw-dropping nature meets rich culture and laid-back luxury. Whether you're soaking up sun on Porto Santo's beaches, hiking through verdant forests, or sipping wine with a view, this island will steal your heart. So, book that ticket and get ready to live your best life. Madeira's waiting, and trust us, it's worth the hype. Happy voyage, and see you on the next one.